Hello students, today I'm going to show you how to install the PSpice software, the software which needs for your simulation part. To simulate the circuit, EC circuit diagram, we need a PSpice software. So installation is very simple. Let me share my screen. I'll show you how to install it. Okay, so here you download the software. I already downloaded it. It is there in my software drive. Here is the PSpice folder. So once you open this PSpice folder, you'll get a lot of the supporting file into this. In that you look for setup file. This is the setup file. Double click on this setup file. Hardly it will take 1 or 2 minutes. That's all. Then click on next. Then select the first option, that is capture. Then select the second PSpice. See, once you select the first option, the second will be automatically disabled. Select the third one, fourth one, click next. Then let it be in C drive. Click next, next, next. So very important here is, once you install the software, what you have to do is the configuration. You have to configure the initial settings. That library files you have to add to our window. The ground library we need to add. Those things are very important. Okay, here we're done. We installed the software, that is PSpice Orcad Lite Edition. Then click OK. Then it will ask you whether you want to launch the release note, that is you want to read it. That is not required. Uncheck this. Click on finish. We're done. Installation done successfully. Now where it will be, you just go to search. Here in the search, click on this. Then type here capture. Here we go. This is our the software which you have installed. Right click on it wherever you want, whether you want it to the taskbar, you just click. It will come into the taskbar. Now open it. Okay, this is our software. Now go to file, select new project. So here you have to select the analog or mixed AD, give the name of the project. Say I'll give PRP1, any name you can give it. Create blank project, click OK. So once you've done this, see already I had installed, so that's why it did not ask me the semantic. Okay, now go to PSpice in this place part. So this is the working area where you have to place the component. Okay, if you want the component, then go to place part. In the part, see there are so many libraries are there. I had already installed previously, then I uninstalled and again I installed. So that's why I'm getting these libraries here. So when you install first time on your machine, you will not get these libraries. These libraries you have to add it. How to add it? Click on this add library. Once you click on this add library, these are the libraries you will get. Select one, Control A, select all libraries, then click open. When you click open, all the libraries you will get here. See here, these libraries you will get. So each library will have n number of components. Okay, so like this you have to add the library of ground as well. Select this ground. Here initially you will get only this cap system and the design cache. These two you will get, and you have to add the source one. The third one you need to add it. Okay, then again same thing, add library. Select this PSpice. In this look for source, select this source, click open, you will get the source library here. Then in this source library, for the ground you have to select the ground, click OK. Your mouse cursor will act as a ground wherever you want that ground, connect it. If you don't want, right click end mode. Like this, the component also you can get. Go to place part. In this, for example, if you want resistor, select this analog library, type R, you will get the resistor here. Place it wherever you want it, and you can rotate, you can mirror vertical, also you can do it, and you can delete it easily. Just select it, press the delete button, select, press the delete button. Okay, you can delete the component like this. Okay, there is a zoom out, zoom in. This is a zoom in. Okay, and zoom out is also there. I hope you understood this. Any doubt you can ask me. This is very simple and very important. You know, the part for simulation, software for simulation. You can easily work on this. Thank you. Any doubt, you can message me.